Yes, it's hot today. It's already 70 something, but then it's windy, so it's okay. Hi guys. Good morning. Look at this beautiful roses. I decided to live because it's Mother's Day celebration and some of the red roses are dying. Ayan. Thank you so one amazing people. Thank you guys. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day everyone in the chat box. Hello guys. Thank you guys. Thank you. Ooh, smells so good. The flowers is so amazing. I'm wearing, look at my outfit guys. I'm wearing shorts because it's warm and I'm wearing jacket to cover my legs, on my hands, my arm. Ayan, thank you, 5 amazing people. Later on, I will go to Sunday's Market. I'll buy some food. And I'll buy some. I will go to first I have to go uh, to the Safeway. I'll buy some. Thank you, 5 amazing people in the house. Thank you, guys. It's beautiful roses here. Ayan, mag-comment para i-shout out ko kayo, guys. Thank you, guys. I'm walking tayo. So there's beautiful roses here. It's kind of warm now. Pagtong-pagtong na tayo mukha natin. Ayan, 6 amazing people. Thank you, guys. Si Evelyn, tamsak dito lang. Bihis na, going to routine. Okay, Sisi. Ingat, Sisi. Umalis na, sis, yung bisita mo, sis. Sis Evelyn, hindi ka naka-present yesterday sa membership raffles. Highest ka ba, Sisi? Hindi ka present kay Sis Pia sa membership raffle. Highest ka ba? Highest, nandyan pa, bisita mo, sis. Ayan, daily routine. Ayan, thank you, guys. Ang ganda ng roses dito, guys. Ayan. Ayan, roses is everywhere. Let me grab some poop bag. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Not yet here. Baka mamaya pa. Okay. Akala ko na nandyan na. Hindi pa pala. Okay, sis. Bakit kagabi, sis? Hindi ka naka-present. Muted ka. Uy, hindi ako muted, uy. Okay. Muted ka. Sisi, hindi ka naka-present kahapon. Kay Sis Pia. Muted ka pala. Dito na Ayan, okay, sige, ingat na lang. Sige, ingat. Ayan, 7 amazing people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Ayan, I'm showing you. Okay, sis. Muted ka. Okay, take care. Ayan, ingat. Ingat, Sisi. Thank you, sis. Ingat. Right there. Ganda ng roses dito. Ayan, oh. Ganda ng roses, guys.